What's up, Eric?
Oof, I'm stuck. Business is booming, but production just can't keep up. Bottlenecks, chaotic shop floor, no communication between manufacturers.
That was me a few years ago. Let's face it, I don't like change, but I saw how fast the industry was changing around me, and I didn't want to get left behind.
It's not change I'm afraid of. I just don't know where to start. I'm overwhelmed with business operations, and my customers are demanding shorter delivery times. I really need help. That's why I asked you here.
Let me show you.
Bystronic's Smart Factory combines end-to-end solutions and service for any size business. This smart ecosystem lets you make real-time changes, keeping you in control, connecting even third-party systems.
I now adapt quickly to changing environments, accelerating my business, and delight my customers. In fact, I've really increased my business performance and have the data I need.
Our implementation methodology and proven systems enable you to accelerate operations on request. Being more agile to adapt to customers' needs gives you market advantage over the competition.
But setting that up must be a nightmare.
No, the best part. Bystronic walked me through my business transformation journey step by step. They gave me the tools I needed and were there to answer any questions.
Like a real partner.
Exactly.
Visit our website or speak to your local Bystronic representative to find out how we can accelerate your sheet metal business, adapting quickly in order to shorten your lead time, taking your profits to the next level and beyond.